Alright, it's the day after Christmas, and this is my bike check for the We the People Versys that I just got. It is the 2011 model. Start off with the front here. We got the Salt Hi-Q light rim, rounded front rim. It's pretty nice. Mankind valve stem covers. We the People fork. Salt pitch flow tire. Pretty nice tread there. Animal Edwin grips with bar ends. We the People bars, magma heat treated. Salt Moto U-brake lever and U-brake. We the People Versys frame 2011 matte anthrite gray, and we got the lime green colors too. Here we got the Clat Surge PC pedals. Unsealed actually, I think. Salt 3-piece cranks, very nice. With the Salt U-brake, the Shadow Conspiracy Huck purple seat, the patch there, really nice. It's leather, I like it. And then we got the Stolen Thermalite seat post, 75mm. And then in the back, same Salt Hi-Q light rim, but it's not rounded because, gotta use the brakes. Clear brake pads, Mankind valve stem cover, some Skullcandy stickers, and Salt hubs too. The hub sounds nice. I can do a hub sound. Yep, sounds nice. So yeah, and a Salt stem and Salt headset. But yeah, that's my bike check.